What if I told you what your morning coffee might be doing more than waking you up? What if that same cup, the one you drink every single day, when it could be quietly draining your strength or rebuilding it? Most people never even question it. They sip, they feel alert, and they move on. But here's the truth no one warns you about. After 60, your body reacts to coffee very differently, and when you combine it with the right natural ingredients, something shocking happens. Your joints can feel smoother, your muscles respond faster, your energy lasts longer. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, your coffee will never be just coffee again. Let me ask you something. Have stairs started feeling steeper lately? Do groceries feel heavier than they used to? Do your legs feel tired even when you didn't do much? You're not weak, you're not lazy, and you're definitely not broken. Here's what's really happening. After age 60, your body naturally loses muscle tissue every single year, quietly, silently, without pain at first. Doctors call it age-related muscle loss, and here's the scary part. This loss doesn't just affect strength, it affects balance, mobility, independence. It's one of the biggest reasons seniors fall, fracture hips, and lose confidence in their own bodies. But now, here's where things take a shocking turn. Coffee has a reputation. Some say it's good, some say it's bad, some say seniors should avoid it altogether. But coffee itself isn't the enemy. The real issue is what's missing. See, coffee is powerful. It boosts circulation, speeds up metabolism, helps nutrients move faster through your bloodstream, which means coffee is either pulling nutrients out of your body or acting like a delivery system that sends healing compounds exactly where they're needed. And most people are using it the wrong way. But not after today. Because now I'm going to show you how to turn your daily coffee into a strength-supporting ritual, ranked from the least expected to the most powerful. And trust me, number 3 shocks almost everyone. Let's start simple. This one's probably already in your kitchen. Cinnamon, but not for flavor, for circulation. Cinnamon gently helps blood flow better. That means more oxygen reaching your muscles, more clarity reaching your brain. For seniors, this matters more than you think. Better circulation means fewer dizzy spells, warmer hands and feet, and steadier movement, just a small amount, stirred in, and your coffee suddenly feels alive. But that's only the beginning, because the next one works deeper. This surprises people. Unsweetened cocoa powder, not sugar-filled hot chocolate, real cocoa. It contains compounds that help blood vessels relax, which supports heart health and feeds your brain. Many seniors say they feel sharper, more focused, less foggy. And here's the part no one expects. When your brain works better, your body follows. Balance improves, reaction time improves, confidence improves, and the best part, it makes your coffee taste incredible. But now, we're about to cross into serious territory. This is the one almost no one talks about, collagen. As we age, collagen production drops hard, joints dry out, tendons stiffen, muscles feel tight and sore. But when you add collagen to warm coffee, your body absorbs it easily. Think of it like raw building material for joints, for connective tissue, for muscle support. Many seniors report less knee pain, easier movement in hips and shoulders, and smoother mornings. One study even showed mobility improvements that shocked researchers, and yet most people in the West never use it. But wait, because the next ingredient protects what collagen rebuilds. Here's the truth no one wants to admit. After 60, your body doesn't respond to protein the same way it used to. It needs a stronger signal. That signal is whey protein. Whey contains specific amino acids that tell your muscles, hey, stay, Even without workouts, even without gym sessions, just one scoop in your coffee can help slow muscle loss, support balance, and protect independence. This isn't about getting bulky, it's about staying capable. But now, here comes the most underestimated addition of all. Chronic inflammation is the silent thief. It steals energy, stiffens joints, and keeps muscles from recovering. This is where turmeric or chia seeds come in. Turmeric calms inflammation at the source. Chia seeds feed your body with steady energy and healthy fats. Together, they help your body feel lighter, looser, more responsive. And when inflammation drops, everything works better. This isn't magic, it's timing. Coffee increases absorption, speeds delivery, and wakes up your system. You're not adding supplements, you're upgrading a ritual you already love. So tomorrow morning, when you reach for your coffee, remember this: that cup can either steal from your future or help rebuild it. Strength isn't gone after 60, it just needs the right signal. And now, you know exactly how to send it. If this helped you, like the video. Share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more ways to stay strong, steady, and independent, because aging isn't the enemy, giving up is, and you're not doing that.